That's it, that.
Wow, guys.
Clear.
Clear, crystal.
Crystal clear. Crystal clear. Yeah. One shot! Oh, nice! Good, yeah, good ball, yeah, Bharat. A nice shot, boss. Go again.
One more. Not deep at all.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful morning anywhere you are. Thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. Blessed love, and I thank you guys so much for showing me the love. And I just want to thank our new donors, that donated to the program. I cannot stop thanking you so much, for donating to the program, because it's mean a lot by helping out the program to help out the situation of the less fortunate, because there's so much new donors, and I thank you so much, welcome, for helping out, trusting the network to help out each other, and that show a great movement, amongst humanity, helping out each other. I'm telling you, it really touched my heart, to see so many people. That's why I really have to give thanks for Christmas list as well to Andy Mwango for highlighting what I'm doing, because the more subscribers that come across, they see the work that I've been doing before I've been around D and been around Chris, so literally people catch up on what I was doing, and most people said they never know that I was doing this type of work here in Jamaica. So when you come and you watch it and then you see the work that I'm doing, it means a lot for you to help out the situation, because as I can see, there's so much people in need here in Jamaica, and we try to help out. No matter how small it is, we try to give a helping hand. The man always say in Jamaica, one cocoa full basket, and the one subscribers and the one donation, it does move mountain, and it's been moving mountain, for helping out the less fortunate here in Jamaica. And as I can see, you see everything within the transparency of how I do the program. So everything is transparency, as I can see, but I like this shade, so I have to stop right here. Oh, right under a Jew plum tree. Yeah, so everything is within transparency. I make sure so everything go according to where the donors them want the money to go. You know, that's how we work it. And I thank you so much for supporting Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, it's been a blessing. You know, guys, look where I stopped, right where the Jew plum tree is. You know, getting some Jew plum and drink. But these Jew plum look great. See, I ripe on here, on the ground. This one ripe till it drop. In Jamaica, them say you're not supposed to eat anything. We pick up half of them, pick up half the ground. So as you can see from there. Yes, guys, I'm saying I cannot stop thanking you so much for supporting this program. You know, thank you so much. All the new extended family, you know, all our new subscribers. You know, remember whenever you're watching, please to put the thumbs up. You know, just please to put the thumbs up when you're watching. You know, it really helps the program grow. You know, because YouTube will recommend it to other audience to watch it because of the thumbs up. The more you like it, the more YouTube will promote it to other people to go and watch it because they say that it must be something good why so many people is liking it. You know, so YouTube like to push that content around to new audience. So that's how the subscribers then will come in. So the more you help to put the thumbs up, you know, by supporting, by putting the thumbs up, you know, if you cannot donate or anything or prayers, you know, everything do help. So let's help each other grow, you know, let's help each other grow. And it's been a wonderful day so far, wonderful morning. You know, I hope you're having a wonderful morning or day or afternoon or evening anywhere you're watching from right now. You know, so big up yourself if you're watching from the UK, America, you know, anywhere at all in Europe, anywhere at all in the Commonwealth countries. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. So as you can see how wonderful Jamaica is, you know, the greenery of our island and the scenery. You know, this is what we are surrounded by. You know, this is what we are really surrounded by here right now, and it's so beautiful. All the banana trees, and this is a big ackee tree as well too. As you can see, it's so much. You got breadfruit, and you got castor oil over there, and you have the Jew plum tree here. You have pawpaw tree there. There's so much. And you have cane as well too. But I guess this is someone land I'm on. Oh, there's a house that's building up over there. It's not finished as yet. That also looks like it's been installed for the longest while. You know, we got cane tree here. I don't know who responds for this farm, but it looks like it's not been taken care of. They just plant it and leave it for the neighborhood. You know, this is cane here. It's not ready yet. You know, bushy. But yeah, man. So as you can see, they're planning to develop. You know, they got blocks. The house is not finished, as you can see by the state of how this block is. But I see how the block is looking. This block, they've been here a long time, a very long time. So now I'm just walking inside this gated community to see what it's like. You know. So this is on the other side here. As you can see, work was going on over there, but it's been a while since the work has stalled. The quake has stalled for the longest while. It's so long. Yes, guys, so thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. More ackee tree, Jew plum tree. There's a lot of Jew plum tree here. You have some ripe Jew plum at the top. There's some ripe one at the top. More Jew plum tree right there. And some more. So I want to see where this road lead me to. So guys, I'm just walking, talking, you know, as usual. Getting the morning sun and the morning breeze, you know. Get the morning sun and the morning breeze. So remember that river that I discovered? Well, not me discovered, it's been there, you know. So I guess that river is for the community, but it's not been exposed to the world as yet because of the location where it is. It's not many people will find it, so it's only who live within the community will probably know about it. But they show less interest of it, you know, because you know when you have something right under your nose, like you get used to it and you forgot about it, so you don't show no interest of it, you know. Say it just been there, you know. But there is some event going on somewhere. You can hear the loud music coming from that direction, you know. Look how beautiful Jamaica is, man. Yeah, when you wake up to this, so you can see you have a few houses down here as well too. You have a few houses, some new development going on up here, you know, as you can see. I don't know how far this place goes, so I'm just walking to see how far it goes. Wow, this house is nice. Look, this house is nice. Look at this mansion. The walls are high. I like the design of that house as well. Wow. And this is their view, what they're looking at over here. And there's another mansion building up right next to this one. Wow. This community surprised me, you know. Okay. You got some more houses around here as well too. Well, there's some more. There's some nice houses around here. I'm not even lying, there's some nice places. And you can see how far the land go all the way back up to the top. And you got another nice house here too. There's so much here. Yeah. People living good. Nice gated. So I guess we're on here. And this is a villa. It's a piero right here. So this looks like an Airbnb. It's a villa. It's nice. Wow. So if I never walk, I wouldn't see this side. So here someone is kind of building as well too. So you buy a piece of land and you just build. This one has completed as well too. Wow. This is nice. Nice. Building. So someone is building around here as well. The foundation start to dig and everything. And the big house over there as well too. You know. So this is where you come and you turn back. And as you can see, this is where it ends. So this is where it ends. Over there you're looking on other lands, but you cannot walk from here to go anywhere else, or you're going down in a ditch. So this is where it stops, you know. This is where it stops. This is where it stops. So I guess we have to go back where I'm coming from. So this is where it stops right here, you know. So this is the circle. And then you have to head back that direction now, where I'm coming from. So that was the walk. So I want to go check Mr. Philip as well too, because I want to take to the river, the one that I've shown you earlier in the video, where the Kino River is. Imagine me coming and name that river the Kino River, the Kino's River, you know. So I'm going to link Mr. Philip to get the key as well too, so when time is ready, you know, we can make a walk and go and show her where that river is. So I'm gonna head back this direction. This community is so nice and quiet. Oh. I know one day, you know, what I got in my vision, in my mind, in my heart, will definitely come true. Yeah. Living in such a beautiful, quiet, gated community. But I will more love, I rather live next to a river as well too, you know. River would be the ideal place or the beach side. Anything, but something that suits me more. Wow, I like this mansion. Like Jamaican with the saying, they don't say mansion, they say galshan. And the ladies them would say mansion. So if you're a man, you would say, I like this galshan or girlshan. You know, boy, I love my fellow Jamaicans. They create everything. I wonder if there's a walkway. Philip did tell me there's a walkway. You could walk here and go down. But I wonder where it is. Let me look here. There is a walkway where you can cut through the bush. But no. This is in someone else's backyard. Cannot walk here. Cannot walk here at all. Or is it this way? There's a walkway here, but this looks like it's in someone's backyard. If I walk here, would this be in someone's backyard, I guess? Yeah. So I'd rather not. So them shoot. Supposed to make it gunned down, trespassing, you know, but I'd rather not walk that direction because it seems like you go into someone else's yard. So I'd rather look for a walkway where there is not a yard for you to walk by, you know. Hey family, is there a walk by where you can walk, General? Is there a way you can walk through any one of these bush to come out there? Huh? All the way around? No, I'm coming from the tree house, but I'm just exploring. Yes, I was wondering if there's a walkway you can walk come down this side. There's a gully there. Okay, alright. Alright, thanks. Let me walk there. Alright, him said there's a gully. Yeah, cause Philip said there's a gully where you can walk. Yeah, this man here. And that's one more. See if I can see the walkway that he's talking about. Philip said there's a walkway, so I don't know where to find it. Yeah, my general. What go on? Cool, no? Is that the walkway this? Yeah. Okay. You say left off of the tree house and left on the concrete house now.
Go back up the funny man.
Yeah.
Funny man, you know?
One else. Are you a business too?
No man, a policeman knows it.
A policeman knows. Okay. What me there walk, I go and explore. Cause through Philip tell me say you could have walk. So me through here so come out there so.
Oh, yeah man.
So I'm gonna go check if we get the key if we go around the river as well too. You know? Alright then. Alright then, respect. So guys, the video, this is like someone's yard. I'm walking through the same way. I don't think I'll walk here again. So we are trampling through someone's yard. Imagine that. Trampling through someone's yard, boy. Oh, this is where they see the Rasta man. Where they see the Rasta man. We should finally find the Rasta man. When you say boss leave. Yeah, so this is where we just see the Rasta man. So guys, I guess you can hear the music is getting closer. Because the music is somewhere over there. So the river where we're gonna go to is down there. Yeah, so the river is that way. So I guess we're gonna check Mr. Philip. I'm just gonna check Mr. Philip now to get the key from him for the gate to go through, to go over by the river. Yeah, so let's go check Mr. Philip first. Get the key in my hands. So I'm ready now and we can just go down there. So this is the walk through this gated community. Imagine walking like this, exercise in the morning, stretching your legs, getting the fresh air, getting a lot of fresh air. So tell me what you think, you know, would you live in a gated community like this? Because I rather live in a gated community like this one, where you got all the greens, you know, all the trees. You know, most of the gated communities it's like concrete jungle. You got nothing looking like this. There's not so many trees, nothing at all. There's no wilderness, you know, like close to it, because they made have to all bulldoze the whole land to build up these. But as what Mr. Phillips said, this was one of the first that they built up. First one. And this one is so nice, you know, beautiful. So beautiful. Buy something in here, I wouldn't know the price. I guess I could have asked, you know, for example, how much would it cost for a piece of land in here, you know, because from the land then you can just estimate from there. But I know the land in here is not going to be cheap, you know, because whenever anything is gated, you have to pay for all the extra security and everything, so that will come within your money as well too, you know. So everything will come included as well. Everything will all included. But the place is cool. It is cool. Well cool. Especially even in the night. You see, even in the night, in here is cool. I feel cool, close, cool. You know, in the night. Very, 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 very. You can hear the river over there, and you got the pool over there. You have the pool area over here, and you have the river behind here as well too. The water is clean. Look. This could have cleaned up This is the pool. You can come. Jacuzzi. I guess jacuzzi is not too pumped up right now. Now you got the pool. Pool is not too deep, but it's swimmable. This is not too deep, but it's swimmable. Yeah. Wow. So here you got a nice chill out spot. Look what they have within the community. This is a nice chill out spot here. This is built on a tree as well too. This is built on a tree, as you can see. So this is a tree spot, chilling out on the tree. We got the river right behind. We got the river right behind. And over there you got where people is living, right next to the river. So look at over here, you have a nice swimming park. Water is so clear. It's no rain for the last 2 days or so. It's been no rain. But you can see the community throw a lot of rubbish. Everyone has come and throw the rubbish from up there, as you can see, off the cliff, down the river, and they hope for it to wash away. You know, as you can see, this is what they want to be. The saddest thing about this river, you know, this river is under siege by rubbish, you know, because it don't seem like say rubbish truck come around this area collect any garbage. There's no garbage truck that comes around this area. As you can see on the side, there's clear garbage coming down the hill that meant to go inside of the river, and they open pray for the river water to wash it all the way downstream. You know, that's only the saddest part of this river. It is suffering so bad because of the garbage, but otherwise from that, as you can see, this is a wonderful river. You know, all it needs is maintenance to maintain, because over here you got a community where people is living. You know, it's all community over here where people is living. But I like this spot, chilling out at the tree spot. So this is built with tree, built on the tree, and you can see. So the best thing when you're swimming in this river, you have to go all the way up the stream, where you got none of these rubbish where people will get to throw in, like the part that I go and Mr. Philip showed me, the part that Mr. Philip shows me. Yeah, that's where we definitely need to go and swim. So up there, there's no one living up that side to throw in rubbish, dispose of the rubbish inside of the river. But this river is a lovely river only if it's been taken care of. You know, you need a garbage truck to be coming around here clearing up all of this garbage. Shark man, oh go on. Yeah, go ahead. Remember me? Yeah. So, where's this walkway? By the bridge? Where's this walkway? By the bridge? And this take you up to the river more, right? I'm gonna go up there in a minute, man. So you good though? You know, lease my piece of the land. Lease my piece of the land, no? We can't get any to lease. So is anyone around here doing that? Is anyone around here leasing anything? No. Government on that side. Okay. I just go and live till them ready. Pick up yourself, man. Yeah. So the man says more like government land, so they're just living there until the government is ready. So imagine, so they're just squatting till whenever the government is ready. So this is it, the community here. Look at the pool. Yeah man, so you see with the river you have one pool. Cricket. You know how long I don't play cricket? You know how long I don't play cricket? That is flinging. That's not bowling, that's flinging. Eh?
Over there too soft.
Too soft.
For run up.
Cricket.
We just enjoying.
You know, I play cricket as well, man.
Yeah.
But I haven't played in a long while, but I am a cricketer same way. Playing cricket with. Hey, eyeball. Eyeball. That's a wild ball, too high. He's trying to give you a bouncer. Wide.
भाई साहब हटाओ इनको हटाओ यार भाई साहब ऐसे थोड़ी होगा
Wide.
हटाओ यार इनको
I'm coming around for a ball. You know, that's my sports, you know. So right now, I'm going to get involved. I'm going to bowl on. I'm going to bowl something. Blessed, man. Good afternoon. Big up. I teach them how to bowl, you know.
Yeah, tell you.
Because they've been flinging and everything. Guys, I'm a sportsman, you know, so I used to play cricket also. You know, shabash, shabash, shabash. Shabash, 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 shabash. Shabash, shabash. Bowling, Shane. That's 4. That's 4. 4 runs. Catch him. 2-2.
तीन में 5
Oh, he's out. Bowling. Bowling. Can I get a ball? Let me ball. Give the ball. Come. Alright. You're the video man.
Oh yeah man come
I haven't bowled in a long while. Warm up first.
oh warm up first
Where, from here?
you know warm up
Bowling.
yeah man
Pull one. Pull. See, that is bowling.
yeah man
That is bowling.
oh I come
He can't move me.
फेंको वहीं पे
Go.
ये बहुत पार्टी दिख रहा है अगर हार्ड बॉल रहे ना हो अगर खिला नहीं चले तो ऊपर चली जाएगी रन अप देख रहे हो रन अप देखो
Alright. See, I'm bored for South Africa.
goal for South Africa. That's catch there. Is that he's going? Go.
Come on, guys, come on.
Watch the
Come, put a slower, man. Put a slower, yeah. Come in, man. Come in. Yeah, man. Yeah, move in, man.
goal. See that? I still got it.
Yeah, man.
I still got it.
Revenge, man. Yeah.
Jim.
That's it. Oh, Indian. What you are doing?
Drinking time, yes.
No, but it was a catch.
That was a catch.
It was drinking time for me. It's a very easy catch.
Easy catch.
Easy catch, but easy catch.
He's having a beer.
Yeah, man. Come. Warning, warning.
Last one.
No, play, man. Play.
That is straight drive out of the pass, man.
Yo, move on, man. Got it.
Traffic covered by.
You missed the catch, man. Yeah, you missed the catch. Having a beer, guys. He's been having a beer.
You want?
No, you. He missed the catch.
No, it's
By having a beer.
a drinking time. That's why I haven't on the field.
Yeah.
अब तो भाई देखो भाई कर लगी इसकी बात.
घूम घूम के बनाएंगे.
यार हाइट का बहुत
गेंद थेट कहाँ से आती है?
रहना पड़ता है. रहना उसको छोटा पड़ रहा है.
गेंद थेट कहाँ से छूटती है? वेंचर्स था.
छोटा है तो इसको मैं हां तो रहना फिर छोटा है.
Oh yeah.
That is four. That is four. That is four.
Catching. Kiss girl.
Alright.
Shot. But nice spelling, yeah, Rahul. Whoa, white ball.
Come on, batsman, come on, ball, let's go. Bye.
Wow, shot. Oh, nice. Good bowling, yeah, Bharat. A nice shot, boss. Whoa, nice catch up. Woo. Again,
Good catch. But that's a four though. Yeah. That's a four run.
That's not a foul, it's a
Guy is so
straight
clear.
catch out.
You go.
yeah, that's clear, but no.
Yeah, and the field it would have been wider, right?
You know, beat the fielder.
Yeah.
You know, beat the
Yeah, it was a good catch. Good catch, but in a match that would have been a four. Hey. Hey. Right there. Not moving. Duck. Oh, it's ball. That is it. All right, man.
Alright, man, alright.
Yeah.
contact man for
Yeah, I gave him the link, yeah?
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, man. Catch
Yeah,
it.
man.
Respect, man. Respect. Respect. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You get it, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So you see,
I'm searching in my another phone. Kino Life.
yeah, in Jamaica.
तो जितनी बैटिंग लिए मैंने ये फील्डिंग लेनी है
It's the Wi-Fi.
बैटिंग लेंगे बैटिंग बाद में डिफेंस से निकल जाता है
Yes, guys. So, whoop, that was it for me. That was a good sweat and a good batting, good bowling, and everything. Good, good, good. Yeah, that was a good batting, good bowling. Whew, sweating, sweating. That's the tree house there. Mr. Philip! Mr. Philip! Hi. How you doing? Yes, guys, so I just picked the key up, you know, for the river. So we got the key now to go to the river. So we got the key now. Here's the key to go to the river. Got the key. Got the golden access to go to the golden river. So see there. So that is it. So to get to the river from here is the easiest way, you know, but the clip that I show you in the video, yeah, the best way to get to it is from here, but it have to be within the gated community. And so to go through the gated community, it's not going to be possible unless you literally book unless you're staying here. But if you're not staying here, it's going to be difficult. You have to go all the way around, you know, exactly go where the fire water is, come around in the bush, you know, to come down there. So as what Mr. Philip explained to me, it's not easy to access it from that side. So someone did inquire about it. They would love to go there, but you'd have to be staying here to get in that access of the river so easy. Or otherwise you could have tried from where you see I was walking from. Then you would have to walk all the way up the stream, which is not an easy way to walk all the way up the stream. So I guess the luckiest thing of it, you have to like be staying here to get that access. So I guess if it wasn't staying here, who would get that access? So welcome, welcome, welcome to the Kedingo tree. Kino tree. Kedingo. This is the Kedingo tree. I remember, if you're watching and in your mind you say, oh, Kino, I know that tree. Who named that tree? I named this tree the Kedingo tree. So if you know it as some other name before, now we have competition. We're going to the tree tax office, right? We're going to the tree tax office. So welcome to the Kedingo tree. Look, Kino. So if anybody watching and they say, Kino, I know that tree, eh? Kino, just conquer this tree. You just steal this tree right now. And why I cannot? Welcome to the Kedingo life, the Kedingo tree. So I'm going to take it to the science lab and see what kind of health benefit we can get from it, right? So if you don't want boil tea with it, I will tell you how much to use to boil tea or what kind of use it's good for. So just give me some time. People, you guys must be watching and say, you know, Kino, a madman. Eh, don't it? Nah. But yeah, man, that cricket workout was a good workout. Trust me. You know how many years I don't bowl a cricket ball. Well, that was a tennis ball still. You know, I hold a cricket bat, much less for bat. It's a long time I haven't done that, boy. Very long time. So guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to see Dee Mwango right now to go to that river. Let's see if she's ready and ready to go. Yes guys, so we're here now with Dee Mwango.
You don't know the tingo. If this is the first time you've seen me, my name is Dee Mwango. I'm from Kenya, Mama Africa. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me get to 500,000. I will truly appreciate. And please subscribe to Kino. Let's get him to 100K this year. He deserves the silver button.
Amen. I run the relay and collect the button.
Yeah,
So
the silver button from
silver
Google. It's such a beautiful thing to have. It's an award from Google.
Yes guys, so we're here now heading to the secret location, the hidden gem that I discovered. Yeah, so we're here heading to the river, so Dee is gonna see what's it like. But Dee, you can hear the river from here, right?
Yeah.
You hear that?
I will just park right there. You can see the car.
But imagine, yeah,
This place.
someone already bought this land, you know.
Someone bought it already?
Yeah, right here.
Wow.
But this access is gonna still be here. But right there where you see clear out, somebody already bought it.
Wow.
If this was me, hey,
wow, that could be a jackpot. But
jackpot.
still, you're gonna keep finding, you know. You can still find something somewhere.
Yeah. But this will be the dream find for
I
me.
tell you.
So right here, you see?
We have a gate to go in.
Yes.
That's why I never knew the place. It's not easy to get it. And it's not Kino who got it. It's the boss who brought Kino here.
So the boss, well, you know the boss at Kino, I'm passing on this button to you. See there, I've got the key
I tell you.
to go in the secret hidden
Gem. Don't know the
This is
tingle.
it, the master
Come
lock.
along with us, guys. Oh, and let me know how you love my hairstyle. I love
Look,
it, love it,
in
love it.
evening, look at this. Grease. In evening,
Grease.
I have to grease it.
Wow.
That's how long it's been closed.
Without nobody going in.
So I have to get it. Hold it. I have to get the degreaser to grease it. You have you seen them treasure movie?
Yeah.
And you see some locks, it locked for so many centuries.
Yeah.
This is it. Oh, so you have to get the
Wow, the
degreaser.
rust. Wow.
Yeah. Then
Don't know the tingle.
let me put this back on it. This is the master lock. It's not an easy lock.
Yeah.
No thief can look on this lock. Master lock.
Hey, I got in the first one.
Well, the second, I've been here already.
The second. I got in the first one.
So guys, so let's pull the gate up behind me.
It's so beautiful. Wow. Clear water. Right. I could be coming cooking here.
Yeah,
Chilling, cooking here by the riverside.
yeah, right here.
Yeah, even camping that I was saying I wanna camp until midnight.
Yeah.
Then now you
Cause you have your lock and you have the key.
Yeah, you lock and you have the key.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Now I know perfect spot. Yeah, this is beautiful, guys. So when Coco Girl will be coming over, some of my friends will be coming to chill here and camp.
Yeah. So guys, so now we're here. Yeah, we have the key. So everything is secure. No, you know.
Now I know the thing go. Whoa,
So you can leave the stuff in here. You can leave the stuff in
Kino,
here.
I forgot the phone. How are we going to take pictures?
You can leave the stuff in here. Let's leave them here.
So you have the drink, some orange drink for me and some sorrel for
So guys, I
Kino.
have to bring the jacket for D. No, the jacket. I bring the jacket for you.
Oh yeah, Kino brought the jacket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's no sunlight.
Yeah. The sun is gone.
The sun is gone. The sun is gone.
Kino, where is it?
It's swimming.
Oh. Just wipe it. I need to go get the phone. I forgot it at the trunk of the car. For some pictures.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow guys, when Coco Girl comes, any of my friends who comes to visit, I'll be bringing them here. This is such a beautiful spot. Inside where I'm
Woo!
living.
Boy,
So cold.
cold. What a cold.
Wow guys, look at that.
Clear.
Clear, crystal.
Crystal clear.
Wow.
Crystal clear.
You can even make a bonfire
Yeah.
and just chill. Oh guys.
I'm put down my shorts. Water is cold. Cold, cold, cold. Look how clear this is. Crystal clear. Ui. 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 Eh? Guys, you either have all the way upstream, you can go upstream as well. Upstream. Huh? Upstream. Guys, so you know I have to go test out there. I have to go test out how deep it is for D, because you can see what I go on.
Want to jump fast? So Kino has to test the water for me.
Yeah.
Why is it not recording? Like I can see it counting from the back.
Okay.
Oh. So guys, Kino has to test the water for me.
Yeah, so I got test it for
My all-time ninja.
because
Kino
Philip
is so caring.
said over there with the white part, deep, so I don't know how deep it is.
That is it? That is it? That is it? All? Step in it. Go everywhere. That is it, no. That is it. So Kino is trying to check if there's a hole or anything. That's why I ask you guys to support Kino, because he is the best. Pass right there. Where the bubbles? Eh? So it's not deep. Okay. I cannot stand? But at least because I can float, then it's okay. Okay guys, that is it.
Now stand here.
Okay, come then.
So, this is the corral. So, hold on.
Hold you?
That's not deep. But we hold you.
Come hold for me, I jump. Then I'll swim out. Yeah. But now the problem is my hair.
Yeah.
Please.
You are. Right there. The current is rough. The current is so bad.
Wow, Kina discovered this in front of me.
Yeah. But the current is bad. See the bubble? Look.
Yeah.
Right there, the bubble is like hold you. Spin around.
So I just want to jump it out.
Yes, jump in this side.
Yeah.
And find it. Yeah, I was looking for you guys.
Beautiful brother.
Eh?
Beautiful place.
Yeah. I was looking for you, man. Walking, looking for you.
We come here, we don't know where is the way.
Oh,
We ask somebody, he say he don't know.
yeah, cause I came there and I was looking for you. And I like, I haven't seen you. Me and her walk, come looking, I will never see you. So it's nice, man.
Yeah.
Nice. Eh?
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Where's your friends? They're coming. Okay. Yeah. Well,
We can take like the picture session. Like
Photo?
The picture, yeah, like photo.
not swimming?
Are you sure?
Yeah. Sure, sure.
No!
Show it.
If you come down,
It's not gonna come, man. It's not gonna drown.
you can down in the water to go. Yeah, the water to go.
It's a waterproof, but our last GoPro, water went inside it. Yeah. Jump in here. They told me from there. Stand up back, man.
What if I
Stand up back, B. Come on, not again. See, you could have jumped from higher. Could have jumped higher.
I'm going back.
Yeah. This river is nice. What a discovery by Kino Live, right? What a discovery by Kino Live. Think of yourself, Philip. Give thanks.
So good. Wow. Oh, it feels so good. Let me jump. I'm over being strong here.
Yeah. You have to jump out.
Wow.
Water.
Hey! The ninja! Eh!
Go again. One more.
One more. Not deep at all.
Looks tall. Yeah.
Nice, I cannot. No. Guys, it looks like I'm jumping from my tree. Wait, Kina, what's happening here?
It's the current, I told you. It's the current.
Wow!
That all the legs go.
Yeah! Like a rope.
It's a rope though. That's the current. I told you because it's coming heavy from there. So this current, it's like it just water like this.
Laughing.
Yeah, rocking it like this.
Guys, I nearly. You see? You cannot move.
Cannot move because current.
I'm going to lift my legs. Stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Oh. But when we came, it looks like it's getting more rough. So, it will be like this.
Oh yeah.
It was right here far away. Right now it's here. Wow. Guys. See, the first thing of having a ninja.
The ninja was right there to grab her. Come.
It's not deep. I was even standing, but you cannot move.
Yeah, it's not deep. It's just a current that's holding your leg. Just roll you.
And grab you.
Yeah.
That's what it was doing. Right?
Yes.
I cannot move at all.
Cannot. Trust me. I just feel it holding. Right in here. Come. Look.
Whoa, you cannot move even the leg.
Hey, look. See, there's a rock here.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm not going in there again. I don't know what's happening here.
What, right here? It's your mind. Look. It's not deep. It's here, I have a little hole. It's a little hole. That's why. See, it's right here. Let me show you all.
But now it's getting worse when you get to
Look, there's a rock right here.
there's a rock.
Yeah. And the water is bouncing. Look. Look, I'm standing here, look. So the water is bouncing on the rock. That's why you have that. But see the water go down, it's like clear out the dirt and a little hole. That's why you have this. That's nothing here this one. Nothing here this one. He said, I'm done. So late. You come here so late. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.